Yeah, Shadow Fox 2011. Let's do it. When I start spitting bullets, start spitting Hail Marys, I can make your life a living hell. Scary, give me that, I'm living well, barely, I'm a Democrat, like give 'em hell, Harry. True man, cause I'm a true man, you too can. Sam smelling the food stamp collectors. No chess, no backgammon, no checkers, no game, no defects. Niggas, I can keep a cigarette, live with my blaze, so I have no match. I just spit on my haze, perhaps this stuff's lyrical age. You catch it, you fucked, wait for it. One of my lyrical slaves, I slap up these rap smuts with my dick like that's what's up, and I didn't stutter. You get it someday. Get your mind out the gutter, you pitiful gays. Ha ha, your motherfucking mother, son. And I'm not talking about your brother, dumb. Insert your name here, she give up and bail. You whack, your flows up the river in a pail. Hope floats, shit fucking sells. Use that asshole, you would get fucked in jail. Send you back to go when the ducking fails. You'll have a hole in your head like a fucking whale. I lust for whales, I flip fat bitches like coins, and fuck they heads up when I fuck they tails. And speaking of De Niro, I'm trying to see a whole lot of checks like cereal and change like a hero. So I'ma beat Batman for his utility belt, then beat Batman with his utility belt. So when I beat Batman, his utilities are help. Swifts everywhere, I'm feeling to squeeze myself. I don't feel them C's, I feel them C's need help. So I'ma bang the semi like a gong till niggas is gone. I'm robbing these whack dudes and rap to a Remy song. Put your right and left hand up at the same time before I light your lamp up. This ain't a rhyme. What's more, I want your money to hop out your pocket. In my hand, take off your wallet and yell, take me, I'm yours. Lately, I'm more leaning on these lyrical pests, cause I don't see them as a lyrical threat, though they appear to be vexed. Stomping around, snapping, spazzing, throwing tantrums. They can't find their mirror, I guess, cause they little girls at best. They life's an ongoing sentence, that means they ain't get their period yet. No, really, man, they do a bit upstate, then come home bow-legged like Yosemite Sam. You got to be kidding me, man. You motherfucking queers get robbed with a broadsword, cause I'm a buccaneer. So watch who you buccaneer. My aim so straight from a train station away, I can hit you in your fucking ear. I heard death comes in threes like musketeers, so one for all for one, man, I fucking swear. Grab your wife by her fucking hair, fuck her in the ear like, fuck what you heard, I'm right fucking here. Alright, motherfuckers, we clear? Swift Markson, motherfucker, yeah. Got all these motherfuckers scared. Only one failed attempt on a motherfucker, yeah, but it wasn't me, though. I had his motherfucking peers laying low in the bush like Condoleezza's A. Rice. They thought the wheels of steel was manned by Jesus H. Christ, cause the DJ saved his life. He yelled, get down! And they was aiming for his face that night. What? Yeah. You already know, the Shadow Fox, I'm the last of a dying breed, a breath of fresh air, perhaps like the last of a dying steed. You know what I mean? No more guessing, no more stressing. Sun's getting old and his gun's getting cold, but mine's been fired more times than George Jetson. I'm out.